SAP Business One offers robust asset management capabilities that are particularly beneficial for manufacturing businesses that need to manage equipment, machinery, and other assets critical to production, storage, and distribution. In this blog, we discuss 5 key aspects of asset management that can greatly benefit from implementing SAP Business One. Firstly, equipment lifecycle management. Managing the lifecycle of machinery and equipment involves more than just acquiring and using these assets. SAP Business One offers robust tools that allow businesses to monitor the entire lifecycle, from purchase and implementation to maintenance and eventual retirement. This ensures that equipment is utilized efficiently, reducing the risk of operational disruptions and extending asset longevity. By having a clear view of the lifecycle stages, businesses can plan replacements and upgrades proactively, avoiding unexpected breakdowns. Second, maintenance scheduling. One of the most significant challenges faced by manufacturing businesses is unplanned equipment downtime, which can lead to production halts and lost revenue. SAP Business One supports planned maintenance scheduling, enabling businesses to plan maintenance activities based on usage, performance metrics, and historical data. Automated alerts help ensure that maintenance tasks are carried out on schedule, minimizing unexpected failures and keeping machinery in optimal working condition. This proactive approach enhances equipment reliability and operational continuity. Third, real-time visibility and tracking. For effective asset management, businesses need real-time visibility into their equipment's condition and status. SAP Business One provides comprehensive tracking capabilities that allow for the continuous monitoring of machinery performance, and operatives can log any downtime or interruptions. Through dashboards and detailed reports, managers can analyze asset utilization, pinpoint potential issues, and address them before they escalate into costly problems. This real-time insight helps businesses maintain transparency and supports better decision-making in day-to-day operations. Fourthly, automated depreciation and compliance reporting. Understanding the value of machinery over time is critical for both accounting and operational purposes. SAP Business One automates the process of calculating depreciation, ensuring accurate financial reporting. The software also facilitates compliance with industry regulations, making it easier for businesses to stay audit-ready and maintain financial transparency. And lastly, data-driven decision-making. SAP Business One supports data-driven decision-making by collecting and analyzing performance metrics over the lifecycle of assets. This data helps businesses assess when equipment is nearing the end of its productive life and when investment in new machinery would be more cost-effective. By leveraging data, businesses can maximize their return on investment and ensure that their equipment contributes positively to their bottom line. These are just some of the ways that Lake and SAP Business One can help your business. To find out more, download our beginner's guide to SAP Business One. Link is in the video description.